I'm Zach with MetalPro, and today I want to walk you through a comparison of our FS line of ironworkers and go through each model that we offer to help you better pick which machine suits your needs. First machine we're going to talk about today is our 40-ton ironworker line. This machine in front of me is our 4000 FS. This machine comes standard with a 6-inch 3-in-1 shear. We can cut 1/4 inch thick by 6-inch wide or 3/8 thick by 4-inch wide flat stock on the top side here. Below it, we have an angle iron shear built into it. We can do 3 by 3 by 1/4 angle iron. We can also do round and square solid, 3/4 and 5/8 thick. This machine is also capable of punching 1/2 inch thick material. Our punch station is set up on the inside. This is our smallest ironworker footprint wise and our lowest costing ironworker. We also offer this machine in our 4000 series that comes without the shear. So we did that for customers looking for a single operation, or maybe they don't need the shear. They're just looking for punching or bending, or we do a lot of custom builds. And this is a great model for a custom build if you're just looking for a single jig setup. This machine in front of me today also has our optional wheel kit in there. Just like all of our ironworkers, this machine is powered by a 110 single phase Baldor motor. This machine also comes standard, just like all of our other ironworkers, with our True Blue 3-year warranty. It's the best warranty on the market. If this machine fits your needs, please reach out to us or one of our dealers, and we'd be happy to answer any questions. Next, we're going to move into our 45-ton series. Now we're going to talk about our 45-ton ironworker. This is our 45 FS series. This machine is now upgrading to 1/2 inch thick cutting capacity on material. Comes standard with an 8-inch shear. This shear can do 1/2 inch thick by 4-inch or 1/4 inch by 8-inch wide. We're also upgrading to that 4 by 4 by 1/4 angle iron shear capacity and still sticking with the 3/4 and 5/8 round and square solid. This machine is also capable of punching through 1/2 inch thick material. As you can see here, the big upgrade is the frame is now getting larger. It's getting more heavy duty. The punch station's now on the outside. Gives you a better use of material. It gives you more freedom to move the material around. You can use wider material at a better ease versus the inside station on the 40-ton. This machine also, you can see with an optional wheel kit, just like our 40-ton. The one thing I forgot to mention with our 40-ton series, MetalPro has the largest list of accessories for 40 and 45-ton ironworkers than anyone on the market. This machine allows you to do punch station plate, which is basically a gauge table that mounts on the outside. We can do a slug catcher. All these machines, the 40 and the 45-ton series, can do notchers, brakes, backstop, shear front guides, stroke controls. The list goes on and on. If you got any questions about the accessories that we offer for these machines, please hop on our website or reach out to one of the dealers, and we'd be happy to get you more information. Now we're going to talk about our 50-ton ironworker. This is currently the largest ironworker we offer. This is our MP 5000 FS. This machine comes standard with a 12-inch 3-in-1 shear. The flat stock on top, we can do 1/2 inch by 6-inch wide or 1/4 inch by 12-inch wide flat stock, as well as 4 by 4 1/4 inch angle and 3/4 and 5/8 round and square solid. This machine also has 1/2 inch punching capacity, just like our 45-ton on the outside and inside workstations. And this also has the ability to do the dual punching setup as well. This machine, as you can see visually, is our largest frame design. This is our thickest material, most durable frame to handle that extra 10,000 pounds of punching capacity that comes with our 50-ton ironworkers. I also want to quick talk about specs on our machines that we talked about today. We talked about a lot of our max specs on cutting and punching, but we can also go thinner than that. So if you have a setup that you need ultra thin material, if you need to shear, punch, stamp, bend, we do offer that as well. So please reach out to us if you have any questions with how to get your machine set up for that. We offer shim kits or custom builds on punching and tooling to handle those needs as well.